Ecotera Vlog in Baguio City! Okay na yan. Alright, for today's video, nandito tayo sa Lion's Head kung saan nasaksihan na natin, of course. Dito lang yan sa Baguio City. See you! Si Mother, ayan. Si Aye. And Dave. And din ng Bahrain.
Aye.
Oh, diba? Perfect. Ganda, diba? Perfect. Ang bangil din dito.
Ano ka naman ang dress?
Okay. So guys, and that's for all to this video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ecotera Vlog, na nagsasabing enjoy life as always, and see you for my next vlog. Bye!